had to, some of these companies have had to face some economic challenges, recalls, whatever, but they need to re-engage and support biofuels, and we probably need to re-engage them. And I hope next year at your Biomass conference, maybe you'll think about having an audit panel. In terms of technology, I think we need to be more realistic about technology development. Bob talked about how fast we ramped up ethanol production. That was kind of the low-hanging fruit. Cellulose and advanced biofuels require very complicated advanced genetic engineering. These technologies are not easy. Realistically, we're talking about 15 to 20 years to scale these things up, and that's what's happening, and now we're getting there. So we need to be realistic about that, but we're moving forward. We are making progress. The RFS is working. It has driven an incredible amount of innovation, not only in the biofuel space, but in the renewable chemical space, and even down into the university level in terms of synthetic biology. Who thought that the RFS was going to help drive biotech innovation? It is. It's amazing. It's terrific. It's a good example of a government policy that works. We also can't afford to fail right now. We need the RFS for climate change mitigation. Everybody's talking about power plants, but the transportation sector has to reduce CO2 emissions, and the RFS is doing that. We can't afford to fail. And someday we will have a national low-carbon fuel standard, and so we need the fuels that we're making now. That's it.
I'm going to be real